Hey everybody, John Reagan here, 726 West Sunset in Henderson, and I just wanted to come talk to you guys because basically with the new tariffs and stuff and talking with the team, it looks like we are going to be doing manufacturing here in the U.S. So, what does that mean? That means I've been ripping my hair out, if you can't tell. I mean, But moreover, it means that I need to clear this floor in here of all these motorcycles, right? I need to get them out of here. I need to get them sold and get that money in so that we can start putting it towards a manufacturing facility, putting it towards parts, putting it towards all those wonderful things. And believe me, there's a lot of them that go into putting this stuff together and manufacturing it here in the U.S. So what we're doing is, if you go online right now, you'll see this bike right here. These VMX 10s are listed at $6,250. If you come in with cash today or this weekend, or just get down here and help us fund this stuff by buying one of these, 5G. All right, this one's listed. I actually having it do a jump on another battery that I have. It's kind of interesting way to charge it. This thing lists right now 8. If you come in with cash, 6G. Right. This was Shaq's bike. You want Shaq's old bike, right? About ready to hook this thing up with a new switch it needs, and I'm looking at taking the alarm out, switching out with a key, because I think that'll be a little easier for it. We'll do that one $6 grand. So same thing, VMX 10 here, 5G. VMX 10 here, 5G. So we've got a few of these in here. And even this one right here, this VGX06 that everybody oohs and ahs over. It has a dead battery, but if you have a 72-volt battery, you can drop it right in there, hook it up, and get it going. If not, it's got some great parts on it, right? 4-speed, 12 kilowatts. Actually, the VMX 12, the little one that everybody is like, woo, so crazy, that is set up for street. So it has a lot of kick. It's pretty insane. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're going to set up manufacturing here in Vegas. I've been working on that, looking for facilities. But we need to get money, right? We need to have capital together, and we have some things we can use to generate capital with. So come down, 726 West Sunset, Henderson, 89011. Come get a killer deal, man, because if I can make you a deal on something, cash money, it's just all going to go into us building new cool stuff here in the U.S. So I guess that's kind of the campaign. Buy our Chinese stuff so we can build U.S. stuff. Let's go.